Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage bookings. The WPRentals team was built as a booking platform, and the admin can allow owners to submit listings and manage bookings. The admin can decide if a booking fee will be deducted from owner earnings for each booking made on owner listings and set a deposit fee for the booking to be confirmed. In this video I will show how bookings work if admin decides to not charge any fees. First, the admin needs to make proper settings in admin team options at listing page and payment settings. Under booking payment and settings, the admin can set the value for the deposit fee and service fee. For this scenario, both fees will be set to 0. To show how this process works, I will simulate a new booking. I have created a guest account, and from this property I will place a new booking. I will select check-in and check-out. I will select the number of guests and place the booking. In owner user dashboard, the new booking will show with pending status. The next step is to issue invoice. Since there are no fees required, by pressing confirm booking, the booking will be confirmed. In guest account, in my reservations, the booking will also show with confirmed status, and in listing page, the dates will be blocked. This scenario can be used when admin does not want to be involved and he only allows owner to add listing into his domain. The payment for the booking will need to be managed by guest and owner outside the domain. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notification on new videos.